Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Race Shop with another product spotlight. In front of me are the Viking shocks we're using on our new square body build, part number B215 for the front and B274 for the rear. The Viking shocks have long been one of our premium upgrades here at UMI Performance. Shout out to our friends at Viking. If you use the B215 shocks on the front, we have a stud kit as well, part number 6493. If you use them on the rear, we have a stud kit, 6494. And you also want to try the 6411 shock relocation brackets if you're using a lowered truck. B215, B274, they have 19 clicks of compression and 19 clicks of rebound adjustment, so you can dial in your handling and it'll work pretty awesome. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.